welcome to my video of Ariel Disney Lego. The other ones are broken, but I can make a new one. Let's make a new one.
Wow.
Let me pour it out over here.
Okay.
Woohoo! Lots of pieces. What should I make? Like this and that's it. Aha! Use this. These two, like more smooth pieces. Okay. One more smooth piece I need. One more smooth piece. You like the bed?
That's a bait?
Yeah. Making a different bed.
Okay.
That I made before, but now it's getting me different. I'm thinking. I got it!
Oh.
Royal one. Let's put a different one. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Looks pretty, right?
Yeah.
What should we put here? Go. Here we go. There we go. The drinks go here. This is a popsicle. That's not a popsicle. A popsicle flower? Never. A whipped cream. Mwah. Doesn't matter.
What's that?
The holding thing for the ice cream. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And we have Rapunzel.
Oh.
Their daughter.
Rapunzel?
Because I don't have Melody. I have Rapunzel. There's Ariel. Let's switch. Uh-oh. Okay. Now she's in Rapunzel's dress.
Okay.
That looks pretty, right?
Yeah.
Lego minifigures can put it there too. Here we go.
Oh, like a sister.
Yeah, because they have two crowns.
Okay.
Girls has crowns. Let's test Ariel out. Okay. That is not good. Not good. I know what to make. One more smooth piece. One more big piece.
Okay.
This. Would this be pretty? So another one. Let's test it out. Let's pretend she doesn't have a crown yet.
Okay.
No. This
See?
is not good. Not good.
Maya.
Because we can't have this thing on top.
Why?
It wouldn't fit her head in there. Let's get this. What could be pretty on the side? This looks very nice for her. She gets up, she'll go down, and go have a nice drink. Uh-oh. Nice drink of coffee. That is pretty. That's good, right?
I think so. I don't know.
Let's move it down. Well, I fell down also. Now let's start on the new one. Let's get these little. Let's put two beside. Let's put this piece right here. Which pretty one would you like if you have Legos like this? Let's pick a blue one. I know what to put there. These little like brown stuff. I don't know what they are. Okay, more pieces. These 2 more brown pieces. Let's put them right over here. Like when they're playing in there, we could like make something so they can come out to their moms. Here. You see them? These gold pieces. I know what to do. Put the flags on here. Flags up here. At the park, we could have flags.
Wow.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Let's try Rapunzel in there. It is perfect.
So what is this?
A playground.
Okay.
There's the wind going in there, and then they come out to mom.
Okay.
We have Ariel's bedroom in the park.
Okay.
I mean the playground.
Beautiful.
Let's put them away. Now what should we make? This piece actually. A safety. Yes, safety. Should we make safety? Let's put this. Let's connect this here. Let's connect these pieces to these white pieces. You see? There we go. And then go. We already put them here.
Okay.
2 little pieces. You see? So you don't get hurt when you go there. There we go. You like it? 4 for these pretty pieces.
Okay. So you change your mind.
Yeah, I changed my mind. Changing minds are fun. Do you like it? If he sees me. Now it's Ariel's turn. Uh-oh. She's stepping by one. And she's looking close. That's fun. Let's put away now. Another piece. What should we make? Put it here. Then. I need 2 letters. I know how to make a chair. Just have 2 pieces there. Okay, just 2 pieces. I think we can put it here. Let's put it right over here. Like a window. Let's put one window. A blue heart. That's sweet. A window that you can like look at things. And I'll put something right over here. Like makeup stuff. This is like makeup stuff. And things that are like makeup. Okay. Eric is sleeping.
This one donkey? For what?
He's looking in the window because I have no.
Okay. Wow. Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like Ariel's makeup spot? Or do you like the park of Ariel's? Or do do you like where we see in the ocean? Or do you like Ariel's bedroom? Comments down below.